may have heard of terms RGB and CMYK. These are two modes that define the way that colours are combined. In the case of RGB, that will be combinations of red, green and blue to define your artwork, whereas CMYK is combinations of cyan, magenta, yellow and K, meaning key, which is black. You may also have heard that if you're going to print your artwork out, then that has to be in a mode of CMYK. Now that's not really accurate. In fact, one of the only occasions you'll need to convert your artwork into CMYK mode for print is if you're going to pass it on to a third-party professional print bureau, where they use commercial printing presses and inks that are cyan, magenta, yellow and black, referred to as a standard 4-colour process job. And for all those other occasions where you print out, it will be to a USB or a network-connected printing device, which have for at least the last 20 years been built specifically to handle RGB artwork. So whilst technology has moved on over the decades, unfortunately, this idea that CMYK is the only way to output for print is sadly dated. And in fact, that process of converting from RGB to CMYK when you are printing locally will do more harm than good.